Hi guys, welcome to Hardware Info channel. Today I have CUBOT X70 and I want to show you how to manage your Google passwords on this device. Our first step to do that is opening Google Chrome application, where we tap on the three dots on the right corner. There's Settings and Password Manager. Now we can manage our Google password which our smartphone remember. In this case maybe to our Messenger account. We tap on it, and to do this we must enter our look screen. After that we can copy our email, copy our passwords by this first icon, or after we press this ice icon our smartphone shows us password which remember. We can also edit all by tap on edit and change some in the password, username passwords, and we can add note to our password. When we do that we click save to save a change. We can also delete all by delete and confirm by delete. That's all, thanks for watching, bye.